students, as we have started the order integral. So in the previous we have seen the terms are given in the denominator form. Now if the only numerator is given, that is exercise 12D we will do. Exercise 12D. Here question is given. Second question. Integral under root 3 minus 2x minus 2x square dx. Now in the previous, what is given? In previous we have seen the terms are given in the denominator, but here it is given in only in the numerator. And as we know that is the coefficient of x square should be 1. But if you are having something, you have to take the common outside. See, in this question what is given? Integral under root of 3 minus 2x minus 2x square. So we have to take 2 common outside. So how will we write? We can write like this. Integral taking 2. So what we will get here? 3 by 2, because in 3 2 is not given, so that will be divided. Minus x square dx. Like this. Now from here take common outside, so it will be root 2. So you will get here root 2 under root of 3 by 2 minus x square dx. Now as you know, by seeing this, you have to next, what is the step? We have to make the perfect square form. So here again you will write, that is root 2 integral under root 3 by 2 minus take common x square plus x dx. Now perfect square. So here root 2 integral under root 3 by 2 minus x square. Now terms are given in the positive way. Terms are given in positive means it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So plus 2 of the formula into x into 1 by 2, because we have multiplied 2 here. We have to remove, so our b is 1 by 2. So then next is b square means 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square. So this complete become which form? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we will get root 2 integral under root 3 by 2 minus here a square plus 2ab plus b square, so it will be x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 dx. Here. Now further we will write root 2 integral 3 by 2 minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square. This minus will become 1 by 4 dx. Or further root 2 integral under root. Now here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square dx. Or root 2 integral, from here take LCM is 4. So 6 plus 1 minus x plus 1 by 2 dx. Or further root 2 integral. So it will be 7 by 4 minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square dx. Or we can write root 2 integral under root 7 upon 2 whole square minus x plus 1 by 2 whole square dx. Why we have written this form? Because to reduce in the form of a square minus x square. Since this is the form integral under root a square minus x square dx. So it is equal to 1 by 2 x under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x by a. This is the formula. Yes, this is the formula. So we have to put here the formula. So what we will get? Root 2 is already given. This root 2. Then half 1 by 2. X. What is x? X plus 1 by 2. Into under root of a square minus x square means root 7 by 2 whole square minus x square means x plus 1 by 2 square plus square. What is a? Root 7 by 2. So plus root 7 by 2 whole square into sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 upon root 7 by 2 plus c. If you simplify here, you will get root 2 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 under root. If you simplify this, so your question will come, that is it will be 3 minus 2x minus 2x square and plus 7 upon 4 sine inverse from here 2x plus 1 upon root 7 plus this is answer. Now we will do one more. Now only root terms are given. If some terms is given in the product also, that is in this form. Question number 12. Integral x plus 1 under root x square minus x minus 2 dx. Now अभी तक वन ने क्या देखा था कि टर्म्स प्रोडक्ट में नहीं था, केवल अंडर रूट में टर्म्स था. अगर प्रोडक्ट में भी टर्म्स दिया होगा, सपोज प्रोडक्ट में ऐसा दिया है, तो भी ये वाले टर्म्स क्या आ जाएगा, ये जो प्रोडक्ट में दिया है x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू a इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ये अंडर रूट वाले टर्म्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स माइनस 2 प्लस ये फॉर्म का यूज करेंगे. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे क्या आएगा, x प्लस 1 इक्वल टू a इंटू इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो 2x माइनस 1 प्लस b. ये अपना फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है. अब सेम वे जैसे पहले किया था, हमको a और b की वैल्यू निकालनी है. a और b की वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे, इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ x क्या आएगा 1, यहाँ से 1 यहाँ से 2a. सो a की वैल्यू आ गई 1/2. a इज 1/2. यू गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ a नंबर. अब a की वैल्यू आ गई, b निकालना है, वो कैसे करेंगे, अगेन इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट टर्म्स. यहां से क्या आएगा 1, यहां से माइनस a प्लस b. अब 1 a की जगह माइनस 1/2 प्लस b और b क्या आ जाएगा 1